Hey guys, Frank Spencer, Mr. Chatsworth here, and I am, at least for today, the hardest working realtor in Chatsworth. I'm holding open 10064 Larwin, Unit 7 of Rockpointe Beauty. We're doing a little bit of restoration, but it's a place you want to see. What would you do with paid solar, electric bills much cheaper? One 2008 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just an absolute steal at $699. Let's take a quick walk through this dream home, potentially yours. First of all, I want you to notice the huge living room, wide open floor plan, formal dining room, kitchen exposed to both the living room and the family room, large back patio, and so much more. Now we're going to go upstairs and take a look at this spectacularly large master bedroom. Imagine the things you could do with all this space. Maybe a much larger walk-in closet. We have one, but always room for one more. New carpet coming in. Then our restoration will be complete. Another large bedroom. That's it. 2008 square feet. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, under 700,000 in Rockpointe. Come on, this is Chatsworth's Best Buy.